Nothing Phone 3 is set to launch in July 2025, and it's already generating a lot of attention. With a teaser posted on May 21st, the company confirmed that its next phone is on the way, calling it a magic number. But beyond just the name, what's clear is that this phone represents a major leap forward for Nothing as a brand. Unlike previous models that focused on the mid-range segment, the Phone 3 is being shaped as a proper flagship product. Now, a big official leak coming in directly from Nothing. The company shared a close-up teaser image showing a new kind of button on its X account. It appears to have a textured surface, maybe even Braille-inspired, which could point toward a focus on accessibility. This small detail hints that the company is thinking not just about power and speed, but also how the phone can be used more easily by everyone. The teaser also shows a dual-tone color design, similar to what we saw on the CMF Phone 2 Pro, especially the white and orange variants, adding a bit of visual flair to the build. Carl Pei, the CEO of Nothing, has already shared that this will be the company's first real flagship. That means premium materials, better performance, and smarter software features. In fact, Pei confirmed that the device would cost around £800 in the UK, which is roughly $1,064 or 90,500 rupees in India. That's a big jump from the Nothing Phone 2, which was priced lower, especially in the Indian market. But this increase suggests we're getting a phone that's built to compete with the top brands out there. Leaks suggest the phone will carry top-tier specifications. A large 6.77-inch LTPO AMOLED screen is expected, delivering smoother performance with a 120 Hz refresh rate and very high brightness levels. This would make the screen not only more vibrant but also easier to view even in strong sunlight. The transparent design that Nothing is known for will likely stay, along with the signature Glyph Interface. That's the series of LED lights on the back of the phone which change depending on notifications, calls, or even charging status. This time, those lights might offer even more functions or customization options, making the phone more interactive and visually distinct. Software is also getting a major upgrade. Nothing OS, which runs on top of Android, is expected to be more refined and may include built-in AI features. These could improve everything from battery management to photography. While exact hardware specs haven't been confirmed yet, early leaks and hints from the company paint a picture of a powerful and thoughtfully designed device. Availability is also set to be broad. Just like previous models, the Phone 3 will be sold through Flipkart in India, making it easily accessible to a large number of users. The Phone 3 will also be available in USA. As we move closer to the launch, we can expect the company to reveal more about the final design, detailed features, and official pricing. With just weeks left until its official unveiling, the Nothing Phone 3 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of the year. If all the leaks and teasers prove accurate, this might be the moment when Nothing steps into the big leagues, offering not just a good phone, but a genuinely premium experience. What are your thoughts about this latest leak? Are you excited about the Nothing Phone 3? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.